Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Vanish mode on Instagram. Vanish mode on Instagram adds a new level of privacy to chats. With Vanish mode, you can have private chats that disappear after they're read. Let's go to Instagram and see how to use Vanish mode. Open your inbox, create a new message, then swipe up from bottom of your screen and release your finger to activate Vanish mode. Once it is activated, your screen turns little darker, and your chat buddy also get notified with a message on the screen that they are chatting in Vanish mode. Go ahead and send your Instagram direct messages normal. When this message will get seen, it will automatically disappear. This is how you can use Vanish mode on Instagram. Thank you.